Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. Follow these steps. Link your bank account to Venmo. First, ensure your bank account is linked to your Venmo account. Go to the setting menu, select payment method and tap add a bank or card. You'll need to enter your bank account details. Second, initiate the transfer. Open the Venmo app and tap icon in the left top corner. Select manage balance under your profile. Tap transfer to bank. Choose whether you want to do a standard 1 or 3 business days or an instant transfer requires a small fee. Choose the amount. After selecting your bank account, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Fourth, confirm the transfer, review the details of the transaction and confirm to complete the process. The important note is standard transfer are fees, but if you need the funds faster, you can OPT for an instant transfer for a fee. This transfer duration may vary based on your bank processing time and weekend by holidays. Guys, if you find this guide useful, so please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.